Okay, I'm also going to use this video for numbers 6 and 7 for the box plots. Okay, so if you're wondering how to clear a list, if you hit the stat button, here I'll stat button, and if you arrow down to number 4 that says clear list, and if you hit enter, so for the last problem with the baby weights, I was in list 1 and I want that cleared, so I just hit second 1 clear list, it'll say done, and then if I go back into edit, my list 1 should be empty. So for the data in number 6, we just need to enter this list into our calculator. So 13, 19, that's my bad. I need to delete that. So 19, enter 15, enter 16, enter 24, enter 17, enter 4, enter 3, enter 31, enter 23, enter 5, enter 33. That should be all of my lists. So when we're constructing a box plot, we need to find the min, quartile 1, median, quartile 2, and the max. So if you hit the stat button and arrow over to calc and hit the 1var stats, and I'm still in list 1, so I'm going to arrow down to calculate, it should give you the min, quartile 1, median, quartile 3, and the max. So my minimum was 3. Oops, I need my drawing utensil. So I need to draw. So my min was 3, my quartile was 5, and then my median was 17. My quartile 3 was 24, and then if I arrow down some more, my max was 33. Okay, so when you construct a box plot, this is going to be your whisker, and then these are going to be the actual boxes with the lines. Okay, so I'm going to go, I don't know, I'll go up by 5. So here's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. I'm sorry that this isn't even, 30, and 35. So 33 lands in the middle here. 3 is kind of in the middle over here. 5 is my quartile 1. My quartile 3 is 24, and my median is 17. So that creates my box. And then I connect my whiskers to my box, and that is number 6. Okay, so moving on to number 7. Same thing, just a different set of data. So if I go back into my calculator, stat, edit, let's go into a new list. So 192, enter 228, enter 186, enter 199, enter 238, enter 217, enter 213, enter 234, 264, 187, 214, 115, 238, and 246. Now I can go to my stat, arrow over to calc, 1var stats. This time I'm in list 2, so I'm going to hit the second 2 to get down to list 2, calculate. If I arrow down, it should give me my minimum is 115. My quartile 1 should be 192. My median should be 215.5. My quartile 3 is 238. My max is 264. Okay, what should I go up by? Let's do 50s. So 100, 150, 200, 250, and 300. You can choose to go by something else if you want to go by 10s, 5s, 1s, 2s. I don't care. I went by 50s. So 115 is a whisker right about here. 264 is probably, I don't know, like right about there. Quartile 1 is a 192. The median is 215.5. And then quartile 3 is 238. Here's my box. Outlining it a little better. Connect the whiskers. And that, ladies and gentlemen, are your 2 problems for box and whisker plots.